drop it. Going up. Lift off, 3, 2, 1, stars. That goes up. Keep the tension up. Go out, forwards a little bit. There it is. Come on, Sparky. There you go. Well, see the magnet starts to freak out. I think I gotta keep it lower. Once that magnet starts waving, the drone starts freaking out. Alright, we gotta steady it. That's what I've learned. Whoa, what's all that smoke? Someone's grilling over there? Alright, let's try to go deep. Let's go deep. I think I gotta make the magnet farther from the drone, maybe. Let's see. We're going. Let's just see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can go. I'll try to keep it steady. See, it's freaking out. If it freaks out too much, I gotta drop the payload. Again, I'm gonna lower the camera so we can see it swinging. There it is. Maximum tilt. All right, now we're going deep. Let's go deep. What is happening over there? Someone barbecued too much. Oh, the trouts are trouting. Geez, it's super windy today. Whoa! Uh-oh, uh-oh. Now drop it. Whoa! Did you see that? We almost lost it. What happened? I gotta figure these out. Why is it dropping? What? Did you see that? I don't understand what just happened. Interesting. What? We almost lost the drone. It was like a second away from drowning. Alright, maybe I should try this over the land first to see as far as maybe the payload was too much. Or the wind. Yesterday I wasn't doing that. Very odd. That was a close one. Thought that was it for the drone. Would have to go swimming. Alright, well that was a close one. Do you see that? I think I was about to freaking drown. That would have sucked. That would have sucked. The second it got in the water, the I guess it came undone, the payload. I guess in the next case, if that ever happens again, once it gets close to the water, I just have to fly up and then hope that it unlatches like it did right there. I don't know. That was weird. That was too much. All right. It's good. Another trial and error. I'll try this over land next. One thing I also bought was just a dog, what's it called? A dog ball thrower, like a tennis ball thrower, the long arm. So then I could just launch this, which I might do because it'll be a lot quicker. Whoa, whoa, hold on. Look at this. We actually got something strong here. See that tension? I gotta go slow. Something's actually on there. Oh, go slow. Oh! Huh. Something was on there for sure a second ago. You saw that? What the hell was it? Damn it, and then it lost it. I might just throw it. I'm just gonna throw it next. Something's out there. Damn it. I think I need a stronger magnet. Maybe yet. Something was just on there. I don't know what that was. Let's do this. Change batteries.